Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rafli Rahmansyah. Today I will explain the process of rain. Okay. Rain process. Then what is the meaning of rain? If we're a rain, then rain is a process of precipitation, the fall of a number of liquid that comes from the earth. Atmosphere have excited either frozen or liquid that descends to the surface of the earth. The atmosphere acted desperately needed rain in the process of finding the appropriate temperature with the melting point of ice near and above the Earth's surface. As for the Earth, the rain is the phenomenon of condensation. Even change substance or objects into other objects or substance. Which process is the process of changing rainwater vapor in the atmosphere into groundwater that falls to the earth. That's a brief explanation regarding the understanding of rain. In summary, the process of the onset of rain can be divided into 4 stages. 1. Solar thermal assistance. Sun is a factor of occurrence of rain. The sun is an important factor to the creation of the rain on the earth. Without the aid of solar, it then it feels impossible will happen rain process. 2. Moisture compaction by high temperature. Compaction water temperature. Next, after the water that is in the earth rises into the air, with the transformed into water vapor. Then the heat will change the temperature of water vapor, become solid, so transformed into dew. Then more dew gathered into points that gets bigger with the hot temperatures. Help so that it will become a cumulus. 3. Wind assistance. The process of the occurrence of wind assistance after the points cloud in the sky and forming small clouds. Then the wind in the air brings clouds and bump into each other to unite to form a large cloud collection. After the cloud turns into a grid, then the clouds will move up again to the point of lower temperature, until finally the cloud will turn into gray. 4. Rain. The process of decline of the rain. After a small cloud unit and form a large cloud, the longer the color of clouds will be more grayish due to abundance of moisture content after a collection of water getting bigger and not unstoppable again due to its weight. Then the grains of water will fall to earth, so called by rain phenomenon. Thank you. From me, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.